Imagine looking at Earth from space. No borders, no limits. Now imagine being able to understand everything that's happening on the ground, from hundreds of kilometers above. That's the power of space in modern defense, and it's becoming more important than ever. For a long time, satellites were mostly support tools, helping with communication, navigation, environmental insights, and weather forecasts. But today, that's changing. Satellites are no longer just helpful, they're essential. They give us surveillance, real-time data, secure communication, and the ability to make better decisions faster. In a world that is becoming more unpredictable, that's exactly what we need. This is what we call space for defense. A new way of thinking about how we protect our people, our infrastructure, and our planet. It's about using space as an operational domain in its own right, just like land, sea, and air. Because satellites aren't limited by geography or terrain. They can give us eyes in places we could never otherwise reach. Whether we're talking about the high north, deep oceans, or remote conflict zones, space makes it possible to stay informed and connected. At Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace, we design, build, launch, and operate our own satellite systems. From small satellites to complete constellations, we control the full value chain. That means we can deliver secure, mission-critical solutions, fast, flexible, and built for the job. Because when you're responsible for national security, you want to ensure the highest levels of control and responsiveness. So what can space actually do for defense? Satellites give us a constant stream of information, even in areas where we can't fly or put sensors on the ground. When ground networks go down, satellites keep us connected. Satellites can detect threats like missile launches or unusual movements. After a threat detection, satellites offer information for the effective use of defense systems. We're already putting this into action with systems like M3X, a satellite constellation developed for continuous maritime monitoring. We're helping track illegal fishing, environmental crime, smuggling, and more. In peacetime, that means better awareness and protection of our waters. In crisis, it means faster response and more control. And when the unexpected happens, a cyber attack, a natural disaster, or a military escalation, space becomes the fallback. Satellites aren't affected by damaged infrastructure or weather on the ground. They work around the clock, across the globe. They provide a steady flow of data when it matters most, helping decision makers understand what's going on and what to do next. That's also the thinking behind our Vanguard standardized vessel system, a concept where satellites, drones, and other unmanned systems work together as part of one flexible, scalable solution. The idea is simple. Use satellites to detect, send unmanned systems to verify or engage, then deploy manned forces only when needed and with a clear picture of what they're walking into. In defense, timing is everything, and space gives us the time and insight we need to stay ahead. At Kongsberg, we're not just building satellites, we're integrating space into the very heart of defense strategy.